Here I am with another Ford Maverick must-have. It's going to be the mat set. This mat set from Amazon is one of the best out there. As you can see, I put a lot of dirt and work into this one. It's still holding up very well. It comes with these door seals. You get the front mat, you get the passenger mat, you get 4 seals. You get a seal for this door, and you get a seal for this door. You get the back mats. The seal's really good for putting your foot on. And you also get the back truck mat. So you get this all in a kit for under $200. It's one of the best values, and it's been working well for me. As you can see, I've been putting it to a lot of use. I put cement, boards, all that good stuff in the back. Gets a little dirt on it, you can just hose it off, and it's been working well. And people asking, this is how thick it is. It's not the most heavy duty, but it will make do, and it works, and it's one of the best values out there.